Good day everyone, I'm Peter Halte Aganas and I'm going to discuss is all about the experiment for quantitative test for sugar. And this is the following material that I'm going to use. So first is the fillings test. In this part of the experiment, you will test glucose, fructose, lactose, sucrose, and starch, and your unknown. Add 6 drops of the solution to be tested to each of the 6 labeled test tube. In a larger test tube, labeled test tube in the 6 ml of fillings solution A and 6 ml of the fillings solution B. Add 2 ml of this mixture to each of the 6 test tube and mix each tube thoroughly by shaking the tube well. Place into the boiling water for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the tube from the water bath and see the result. And for the next test is the barfate test. You will need again the test of glucose, fructose, lactose, sucrose, and the starch, and your unknown. Add 1 ml of solution to be tested to each of the labeled 6 tube. Add 3 ml of barfate reagent to each of the 6 tube and mix them all thoroughly by shaking the tube. Place the tube into the boiling water for just 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, remove them and let them cool and see the final result. And for the third test is the Selemonov test. For this part, you will need again the glucose, fructose, lactose, water, and your unknown. Add 10 drop solution to each 5 labeled test tube. Add 4 ml of Selemonov reagent to each of the 5 test tube and mix each tube thoroughly by shaking the tube and place the tube in boiling water after 10 minutes to heating the tube, and the result is the color indicated of positive reactions. The fourth is the iodine test. In this experiment, you will need the glucose, fructose, lactose, sucrose, starch, and the water, and the unknown. Add 1 ml of solution to be tested to each of the 6 labeled test tube. Add 3 drops of iodine solution to each of 6 tube. Mix them in the containing tube. After that, you will put it in the boiling water in just 5 minutes and see the result. Fifth is the hydrolysis of sucrose. First and foremost, add 0.5 ml of 3 moles hydrogen chloride 1L solution to 5 ml of 1 sucrose solution on test tube and mix and heat in the boiling water and stir for just 20 minutes. Transfer 8 to 5 drops of the solution to the small test tube in a separate tube. Mix together with 1 ml of fillings solution A and 1 ml of the fillings solution B. Add this into the small test tube and heat for a few minutes in the boiling water bath. See the result of the test. And for the last experiment is the hydrolysis of starch. Place 3 ml of 1% starch in a test tube and add 0.5 ml of 3 moles of hydrogen chloride 1L. Mix and place this mixture in a boiling water for just 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, remove the tube from the water bath and let it cool. Neutralize this solution with 1 mole sodium hydroxide and mix well. After that, need to transfer 8 to 10 drops of solution to a small tube. In a separate tube, mix together the 1 ml of filling solution A and 1 ml of filling solution B. Add and mix to the containing hydrolyzed starch and heat for a few minutes and see the result.